What's up, guys? For today's video, the setup might be a little different because it might look a little different because I packed up all my camera stuff because I am in the process of moving and I had to bust everything back out for this video because I didn't expect to make it. So when I was at the mall today, I copped a ton of heat from Vans, and I'm just going out there and saying that this may be the greatest Vans pickup video on YouTube. Facts. It's not anything hyped, it's just because I took the biggest W on this. Just look at this. It's over $500 worth of Vans, and it's 8 pairs of Vans, over $500 worth of Vans, and a shirt and some other stuff. I can't wait to tell you how much I paid. I feel like people are kind of gonna think I'm lying about this come up because it's absolutely insane, but don't worry, I'm showing you guys the receipts as well in case there's any skepticism, because I almost can't believe this W, and I'm super excited to show you this W. So let's just crack right into it. So like I said, I picked up 8 pairs of Vans today because it is the greatest sale I've ever seen in my life. It was the Vans outlet I was at. They had an entire table. There wasn't too much heat on the table, but everything on the table was 10 bucks, and I seen that they had like the old school DXs on there, and those literally just came out. I was like, are these really $10? And she was like, yeah, but they're buy one get one free. So if you buy one at $10, you got another one at $10. You basically pay about $5 for one pair of shoes. That's where the W comes in. I got 8 pairs at $5 each. I paid about $40 before tax for the shoes. I got a t-shirt for $2.50, and then I got a pair of socks for my girlfriend's for $2.50. So without tax, I paid about $45. I got about $500 worth of Vans stuff. This is the greatest W. I cannot wait to show you. And yes, it's team reseller because I'm reselling all this stuff, because you're gonna see I didn't cop anything in my size. Oh, I did cop 2 things for me for the personal collection. Everything else is a straight W that I'm going to be reselling. So I'm sorry for holding you up even longer. So like I said, none of this is like crazy heat. It's just kind of some shelf setters. So first up is the old school DX woven. I got this in 11.5. This isn't my favorite shoe. Actually, before I start showing off all the shoes, I should probably mention, if you're watching this video to get a shoe review, this is not the correct video to be watching. I am not going to be giving any like in-depth review on any of the shoes. I'm just going to breeze right through because there are so many. So this is not going to be a shoe review. This is a Vans pickup video. So if you're here for a review, I'm sorry, this is not your video, but don't worry, you can keep watching. So like I said, this is the old school DX woven, and then it has like this cheetah print type thing. I thought it was cheetah print when I first seen it, but it's not. The camera might make it look like cheetah print, but it's almost like a basket weaving in between like this area right here where the line is. It's just like the cream tan with the black, and I think these retailed for $80, and I paid $5 for them. W. And I'm not showing these off in any order because I'm just grabbing them out of the bag. Next up is the Skate High Reissue DX Transit Line Pewter Ref. Dang, what a name. Oh yeah, these ones are pretty dope. I probably want these in my size for a picture. But right here, it's just the Checkerboard Skate Highs. The Checkerboard is actually 3M. I'll show a picture right now so you can see what I'm talking about. But it's just all gray. It's actually pretty sick. I don't really know if I would rock this all the time, but I definitely would want to get a sick picture in it. But unfortunately, it's a size 8, so it's not going to fit me. But still a dope pickup. And these ones were $75, and I got them for $5 as well. Now next up is just like the regular Vans Authentic, and this is in the all black colorway. Now I was curious on why these ones were on the table, and I guess it's because they were the yeah, so these ones were the display model, that's what I was trying to say. I guess that's why these ones are only the $5. They do have like a little wear on the sole. Maybe these were returned, I don't know, but they still got the Vans sticker attached to them. But these I did get for the personal. Next up is, I just dropped it out the box. This also was for the personal, and this also was a, why do I keep forgetting the name of that? What are those things called when people try them on? I just said the word. Display model. Dang, I don't know why I couldn't remember that. These also were the display model, so I was expecting them to be kind of dirty. I honestly don't see anything wrong with them, except the bottom has just like, you can tell it has a little dirt right here and stuff, but obviously all of the shoes are gonna have dirt on them, and that's fine. If you watch my other Vans videos, you know I love these when they're beat up anyways, rather than all white. So yeah, just the Authentics all white to go with my all blacks, and those were as well for the personal. $5 on those as well, and I don't even mind that they're the, oh, I forgot again. The display model. I can't remember that word for the life of me. I don't even mind that they're the display model. Next up, not a pair of shoes. This is just a 3-pack of socks that I got from my girlfriend. The patterns aren't really that cool, except this yellow one is super lit. But they were only $2.50 because they are $5, but then it was buy one get one free on the accessories. So I got 2, so it's kind of like it was $2.50. So that's where I was getting the price point from. But yeah, just this 3-pack of socks for my girlfriend. Then next up, I got this t-shirt, which is also $2.50. I got this for my girlfriend as well. It's way too big for her, probably a dress, because all they had was a size large, which is my size. This isn't really a shirt for me, just because this is more like a girl. I mean, it could be a guy. I'm just saying it kind of reminds me more of like a girl would wear this rather than a guy. But if you're a guy, go ahead and rock this all you want. I'm not bashing anything. I'm just saying I personally would not wear it. So if she wants to like sleep in it or something, she can. Maybe I'll try to shrink it for her so she can just go to bed in it or whatever she wants to do with it. But it was only $2.50, so I wasn't gonna not get it. And now on to the last 2 bags. And speaking of my girlfriend, I did get these for my girlfriend. I sent her a picture when I was in the store and asked her if she liked them, but she never replied. So I wasn't just gonna pass up on them, but I don't think she likes them at all. So I'm probably just gonna end up selling these. They are they're a men's size 4. And it's these ones right here. This is again the old school DX woven, but it says multicolored, but this is like in the maroon colorway rather than the other one. This one I think honestly is kind of cool. I don't think she was feeling it at all. It just has that woven material where it's like that basket knitting or whatever you want to call it, and then just the maroon and the white, and oh, that's kind of dope. I didn't even notice it's got like the red underneath. Probably gonna end up selling that. That one's probably gonna be the hardest one to sell though. Smaller sizes never really go for me. And then next up we have the old school DX blocked true white. Now I already took the pictures, like the pictures for me selling them, but I just realized I'm gonna have to retake these ones because I left a sticker on it. But here you go, here's some more proof. My camera might not focus it, but right there it says $9.95 for this one right here, and that's the old school DX blocked true white racing, I think is what that's supposed to say. I don't know. I just realized this might be in the wrong box. True white. Yeah, this may be in the wrong box. I'm not entirely sure. I guess it doesn't really matter. But these just dropped, which is crazy that I only had to pay $5 for them. I super wish this was in my size. Unfortunately, it's not. It's a size 11.5. It has the red right here, and then this new wave they're starting where the red goes on to the sole and white, and then white up here, so that's pretty dope. I really like these, something different, so that's why I wish these were in my size, but unfortunately they were not. But as well, this is another one of the like $5 pairs, and here's another one of the receipts. I had to do them in separate transactions because I stopped there after work when I bought the 4 pairs, and then that lady wasn't gonna let me buy anymore. So when I came back, they put out a few more pairs, and she only let me get the 4 pairs too because I guess I had too many different sizes, so she must have knew I was gonna sell them. They wouldn't let me get any more. But we got 2 pairs left as I'm trying to get them. And here's 2 more of the receipts that I'll show you guys in a second. Now here's the other one. This is probably the biggest W of the group just because this just dropped along with the red ones. And I left the sticker on here, so I'm going to retake the pictures again. But I really hope the camera will show you this. And I don't think it is, so I'm going to show you some B-roll of the box right there. But as you can see, it says old school DX block classic white and black. This was $5 as well, and these are amazing. This is a size 12. Unfortunately, it's not going to fit me. I wish I could rock these because look how beautiful this shoe is. It has the black, and then this is like cream, not so much white, like an off-white. Also has like the cream here and then the black on the sole. So that's cool how it like splits off the sole, just like the red pair I showed you. I think this dropped with that pair. Probably did because it's the same thing, different color. That's probably the number one I wish was in my size. And then next would be the red one for sure. And then last but not least is the Aero Rasta. Now these are crazy, and these are in a size 10, so it is my size. I low-key wanted to take a picture in these. I think they're super dope, but you take a picture in shoes, you kind of can't sell them as new anymore. That's just my opinion. Everyone's probably seen this one. Has the red, yellow, green, and then the black sole and the red bands on the back. But yeah, size 10, like I said, and $5 as well. And now here's a quick little B-roll shot of the receipts so you can see that I'm not playing with you guys. I legitimately did pay the $10 for 1 pair, and then the other pair was free. So it's about $5 for a pair. Now I don't know if this sale is at every single Vans outlet, but I would definitely recommend going and checking them out. I'm even going going back tomorrow after work to see if they have any more, and hopefully some new people are working so I can get some more pairs, because I did pass on these 2 leather pairs just because some guy was looking at the table with me and he really wanted them, but I was already holding them and he asked me on them, and I think he knew I was probably selling them because I had so many different sizes. So I did a good deed and let him just buy those 2, even though those 2 pairs are probably the dopest pairs. They were leather old schools, basket weaving pattern, the woven I think they call it, or something like that. Maybe I'll get some new pickups tomorrow. If I did, I will update the video for sure. I will change the outro or something like that, just like a quick thing, because I probably won't be able to get this whole setup again just because I am moving, like I said. So new location for videos soon. This is probably the last video I'm filming in this area because I will be going to a whole new house, a whole new state actually. But you might see some videos in here that come out later because I just film them and upload them differently, and I found a bunch of old videos that I thought I lost. But enough talking, I'm just gonna end the video here. I hope you did enjoy the video. I'm super thrilled on all the purchases. I feel like I got a lot of stuff. I think it was like 500 I said or something. I added it up but I couldn't remember. Probably over $500, paid a little less than 50 before tax, so dub. And if you did enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go check out all my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.